today we have our 25th year of Earth Summit. We have about 160 students that are here, and we are offering the experience where we're putting students alongside of local environmental professionals so that they get an opportunity to learn more about those careers and see if they, it sparks an interest for them. So we have exhibitors here at Virginia Western Community College, just outside of the Whitman Auditorium. And then we have presenters that are speaking for a 30-minute rotational basis. And each one of the students gets to hear 3 different presenters speaking and sharing their passion. And they get some hands-on activities and some great learning in environment and sustainability. So we invite them to, learn one new topic, meet one new person. We hope that they're going to meet many new folks. They're going to learn about new careers. They're going to think about the word environment a little differently, and especially that of sustainability.
Like grafting, sounds really cool. Like when you put like 2 pieces of like trees together kinda and like make them into one. It's kind of cool. It looks really fun.
So this year we decided to release funds from our Ann Davey Masters Scholarship Fund, and we have the Ann Davey Masters Environmental Excellence Scholarship. And we awarded 2 $500 scholarships for tuition for them to continue in their programming, getting their associate's degree in science in different fields in agriculture and also integrated environmental studies here at Virginia Western Community College.
All the way up to 416, so I have to go up a couple flights of stairs.
The ultimate goal here is for students to explore more environmental career path opportunities out there. We hope that each one of the students gains that realization that this can be possible, that it is a possibility for them. We love doing this, and working with students and their teachers is joyful. We have some wonderfully passionate local professionals in the environmental fields, and we love working with them. And so today, it's adrenaline rush.